As the sun shines on all of my glory, my flaws don't look so bad at all. What was I so afraid of?
Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to Loc'd Lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. So I've been wearing this braided style for about a week and a half. If you haven't seen that tutorial, I will link it below. But it was a super cute, like knotless boho braid type of a look. Overall, it was really cute. I will most likely do it again. And I probably could have got another week or two out of this look. But y'all, I was dying to see what a braid out would look like. So we taking them down for this braid out. So I attempted a braid out with my Mermaid Locs about a month ago, and it was very mid. It was very lackluster. It was okay. So I really wanted to give this another try, and especially since I had these braids in, I felt like I would get a lot of good definition this time, and this braid out did not disappoint. So yeah, I just popped the rubber band and then I gently unravel the braid from the bottom going up. And I'm also just kind of taking my time, making sure not to disrupt the curly ends of my hair, because if you move too fast or do too much, they do have the tendency to tangle. So I'm really taking my time undoing these braids. But look, y'all, from the first braid, I knew that this was going to be a good braid out. Look at all of that definition, and I just feel like the curly ends, I don't know, it just adds it's just chef's kiss. Like, I really love this braid out. I think it came out so good. But yeah, this is a pretty straightforward process. I don't have much to say, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work. And so here is how it's looking as we get the braids out. Again, a lot of great definition. It looks really, really full. Y'all, tell me why I missed a braid. So if you see an extra braid in the midst of all of this, just act like you don't see it. I had somewhere to go this morning, so I was trying to get through this pretty quickly, and I didn't realize that I had forgot to take down a whole braid. I went through most of my day, at least the first half of my day, with that braid still in my head, and I didn't realize until like well into the day. I'm driving and I'm like, I got an extra braid still left in here. So yeah, if y'all see that braid still in there, just act like you don't see it. But again, I think this just came out so good. I just love how full and textured it looks. Like, I've done quite a few braid outs on my locks. I've done them with my lock extensions that I had last year. I've done them with my natural locks, and honestly, I kind of felt like braid outs are kind of hit or miss for me. I feel like some people, they look good all the time. Typically, when I want like a lot of definition, I tend to get that if I do like a twist out. So if I do my 2-strand twist, once I take out my 2-strand twist, I get a lot of great definition. But with braids, I don't know, I feel like my braid outs are just very hit or miss. But honestly, I think that this is like the best braid out I've ever done. Like, I love these results. I cannot stop saying that enough, because yeah, this was just a look. I loved it. Just through trial and error, I think you get the best results with braid outs when you do more braids. I have a history of kind of being lazy when it comes to my braid outs. I usually try to do like as least as many braids as I can possibly do, but I think one of the reasons this came out so good is just because, yeah, I think for every braid it was 3 to 4 strands, and so that's where I got a lot of the definition from. If I did bigger braids, I don't think it would have came out as good. And yeah, I like doing styles like this because it's a 2-in-1 style. So I got to wear my braids for a while as a look, and now I get to enjoy this braid out. But yeah, y'all, I am just really pleased with this braid out. I keep saying it, but it's the truth. But yeah, y'all, I'm down to the last braid, and this is what it's looking like. These are the results. Again, I got a lot of definition, so I'm just playing with it. I'm fluffing it out a little bit, showing you guys what is given. But yeah, I'm just playing with it. I couldn't decide if I wanted to do like a side part or a middle part. I kept going back and forth. In the end, I went with the side part, but it looks cute either way. Lastly, I'm just touching up my edges. Y'all know I can't see, so don't mind the squinting. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video for the most part. Again, I think this is the best braid out I done did. I really like it. Love the results. Everything came out perfect. But yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. Everything is linked at the end of the video as well as in the description box. But yeah, I will see you beautiful people in my next video. Bye.